What's up, YouTubers? In the previous video I showed you how to remove the edging from melamine cupboards, and now I'm going to show you how to replace the edging. So the edging you can buy in many hardware stores. Just ask for melamine edging. You get one that you stick on with contact adhesive, which is a bit of a pain to use. This one is what they call pre-glue, so it actually has, if you can see, the glue attached already to the back of the edging. So all you need is a heat gun. You need a cloth. I like to dampen the edges to help the glue cool faster, and a pair of scissors and a file. So all you need to do is cut your edging to length before you start working with it. You don't have to be precise because you can trim it afterwards. So that's more or less where I want to be at. Snip that off. All you want to do is, I just normally do it on a counter where possible. Just keeps the edging lined up. So you start there, you start heating, work your way through, and as you go, you just keep rubbing it on with a cloth. So again, the gun takes a few seconds to warm up. Wait for that. So it's nice and warm already from the previous video when I stripped the edging off. That's nice and warm. So it's easier to secure the end piece, and then it's going to hold itself in place while you move forwards. So that's nice and stuck. And just warm and just stick it down as you go. Just be careful it doesn't lift up too much. And that's it for now. So what I've done now is I've just secured it on a few places so that it doesn't jump around all over the place, and then you can come back and make sure that everything is nice and well heated. You can actually look for gaps on the back of the edging, which will tell you where it hasn't properly adhered to the board. So you can see, for example, like there's a bit of a shadow line there, so that tells you the edging's not stuck so nicely. So you just come back and reheat in that area. And then once this is cooled down, I'll make a follow-on video to show you how to trim the edging. Because you can see the edging here stands up a bit because it's made wider than the board. So that needs to be trimmed afterwards, which you don't trim with a knife traditionally. But I'll show you the trick on that. There you go, that easy. See you in the next video.